Assalamualaikum. Today we will present about our case study that is nut splitter. So my name is Adzra and I will present about the introduction of our case study. First, I will present about the application of the nut. Nut is the type of fastener with a thread hole. Next, nut and bolt also keep together by its combination for their thread friction. So the material of the nut is steel and alloy steel. Next, for the types of the nut that is commonly used in our industry is the cap nuts and castle nut. For the material of the fastener, usually we use the common steel and the titanium. So for the next part, I will pass to my team member Mirza.
Next, my name is Mirza and I will present about the theory of this study. Okay, as you can see, this is our study, which is the nut splitter. For the theory, nut splitter is one of the hardware tools that used to open up the damage from bolts or thread studs. This happens because of corrosion that happens on the nuts. So corrosion happens because of the electrochemical reaction that happens due to several forms such as chemical corrosion and atmospheric corrosion. Next, nut is commonly made up of steel. So when it is exposed to the human condition, it will tend to rust very easily. Last but not least, this machine is designed to only have one purpose, which is to crush the damaged nuts. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Luqman. I would like to discuss about our Hebrew literature. So as we can see here, this is our case study, the nut splitter. The white part is the housing of the product, which is called the body, and as we can see here, the hexagonal head is the bolts connected with the cutting tool. So how it works? First, we rotate the hexagonal head of the bolt using a spanner and make a rotational motion, and then it will transform to a downward linear motion and making contact of the tool and the rusted nuts, so it will break it apart. So the most important part here is do not let the threaded lines in this body become rust, so it will works efficiently. Next part is our bolts and cutting tool. The bolts have a hexagonal head and threaded body. So the cutting tool have a pointy shape to make a point pressure in the nuts, so it will break apart. The bolts and cutting tools is important, is the key parts of our case study. That's all for me for the literature review. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Akmal Rabbi. I will present for the result. So the result that we can ensure for this study, we can ensure by observation and other else. So first, this study can save most of time for the user. So for the second one is it can break the nuts in short of time, and the third one is the nut will also have a clean and good quality when we cut it. For the fourth one, it also can ensure the worker safety, and the last one is it also productivity of the worker can be improved. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello,
My name is Shafiq and I'm going to explain the part in the SolidWorks software. So the features that we use in the software is extrude boss, extrude cut, wizard hole, and mate features. Wizard hole is the features that we use to create threads between the bolt and the body. The first thing, we are going to draw the nut and extrude it to the cutting tool with a specific length that required to split a nut, and then draw the body that allow the nut with a diameter between 20 and 40 millimeters to be split. After that, move the component to the assembly part and bring along both of the components to be made above. Use the mate features and choose very wisely between the internal thread and the outer thread of the body so that it can be moved linearly to split the nut. After that, align both internal thread and outer thread, and then use the animator in the software to animate the movement of the part using explode features. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Saiful and I will present about the conclusion. So in this work, as we know, there are various methods to remove the rusted nut, such as cutting and oiling. So the nut splitter is mainly used for removing the rusted nuts, to simplify any work such as customize and modify cars or motors and home appliances. So this nut is so helpful in terms of reducing costs, because we just have to pay just once, rather than the oiling method that we have to pay every single time to remove or replace the rusted nuts. Other than that, it will help people in terms of reduce energy use. By using this nut splitter, people do not have to use our full energy. So the nut that already rust has no more quality because it become brittle. So that is how the nut splitter is the best way to cut or remove the rusted nuts. That's all from me.